Hi, I am Bernd Kiltz, and in this video I will show you a new feature of the XFX2 by Fractal Audio, which comes with Firmware 6.0 and following. It is called tone matching, and it brings you even closer to the sound of your favorite guitarist if you want to. I will show it to you. What you need is an XFX2 with Firmware 6.0, and you need a recording of your favorite guitarist. The best would be a recording where he only plays a solo and some rhythm tracks without other instruments, so you get a clear tone matching signal, or a clear tone matching reference, how it is called. Okay, first step, you need to program a sound in the XFX that comes close to the sound of your favorite guitarist. So for example, I have chosen Huff as my favorite guitar player, and I will use a song from the album Last of the Runaways by the band Giant, and the track is called I'm a Believer. Fortunately for us, he plays a 30-second solo at the beginning of the song without any other instruments, so we have a good signal for our tone matching. Okay. I researched a little bit in the internet and found out that he uses some Soldano amp and a Bogner box, I think, and I have dialed this in the sound. For amp I used the Solo 99 lead, and as a cabinet I used the 412 German V30 by Red Wires. And it sounds like this. Okay, and now we want to do tone matching. So we go to Layout and put in the tone matching block. There it is. Enter. And then go to Edit. I have tested a little bit out, so you see some curves here. You normally see a flat line, but I put it to reset, so don't worry. By the way, you can put any effect to reset if you double click bypass when the effect is in the edit menu. Bypass, double click. So we first need to go to page 2 and choose our input signal. I have the recording of the song here on my laptop. And I have chosen the laptop output to the XFX2 USB. So I have a USB cable connected between my laptop and the XFX2. So I choose here as the input source, reference source input, I choose USB. Okay, that's the only thing we have to set. Then go back here. If I press X now, the XFX will start to listen to our reference track, which is the recording I have here on my laptop. So I will play it and press X. Press X again to stop it. And you should stop the recording here before you hold the track, before you pause the track here. So the XFX always has a signal and no silence. Okay, next thing we must do is to play something similar on our guitar and hit the Y button before. And best thing would be to already be playing when you hit the Y button, so I always use some open strings. Okay, if we press enter now, the XFX2 will immediately match the sound. Listen. So, it got a little softer, so I will change the level here in the process tab. what you also can do is you can change the amount with which the tone blending is applied. So you have 100%. And if you go to 0%, it's the signal we had before. I like it most at around 60%. And maybe a little bit louder. So without tone matching and with tone matching. Okay, when I now put in the effects, I have a ping pong delay and a standard reverb. Listen how close we are. I think this is amazing, and it's very easy and it's very quick. So if you put a little more effort in it and play exactly the same thing with your guitar as the original recording, then you get even closer, and I think that's amazing for an update at no charge. So I hope you have fun with tone matching. Try it out. There'll be some more videos on tone matching in the future, in the very near future, and I hope you have learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye.